Monthly themes are there to provide your members novelty. They are there to keep the conversations fresh and interesting. This is module 4 of People Magic Profit. In this module, I am going to introduce the first of 3 things that you need to create people magic. So in the first 3 modules, I showed you how to set up your community overall so that you get the right people in, they're really excited to contribute and participate, and you know how to talk about your community to the people that you want to bring in. In these next 3 modules, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to set up a community to essentially run itself. So with that, let's dive into monthly themes. What you want in a monthly theme is something that people can contribute their stories, their experiences, and their ideas. These are not yes/no questions. These are meaty topics that really allow your members to make connections with other members. And at exactly that point in time where the conversation might be getting a little bit stale, boom, you have a new monthly theme. Monthly themes provide novelty. They give your members a new surface area every month to share their stories, their experiences, and their ideas. And when done right, your monthly themes all ladder up to their best year ever. Now, the trick with monthly themes is that you want something that is big enough for your members to be able to talk about them for a month. And that at any point in time, a new member can come in, see that monthly theme, and be able to start participating right away. So to do that, you want your monthly themes to preview progress. Preview progress means that, hey, by doing this, you are on a path to your best year ever. And because there is a new monthly theme every month, you're going to be able to offer your members some novelty that will bring them back. So let me show you some examples. MindBody One is for customers of the software platform MindBody, and those tend to be wellness practitioners and small business owners. So the kinds of monthly themes that MindBody One has are around how are these wellness practitioners and small business owners able to build the best businesses that they can. So in January, there's goals and goal settings. February is all about customer love, defining your purpose and passion, scaling your business, branding and positioning, taking big bets, improving your customer experience, redefining your processes, planning for the holiday season, building loyalty and customer retention, celebrating your customers. And finally, in December, it is a phenomenal month to reflect and reset. The thing about December for most of us is that the first 2 weeks are super busy and the last 2 weeks are quiet. It's the time for us to be with our families and to also be able to spend some time preparing for the next year. So I actually see this across a lot of different communities using December as the month for reflection and resetting. That is an example of how they have mapped out monthly themes for their ideal member, those small business owners and wellness practitioners that are all seeking to have their best year ever. What's nice about these is that what you can see is that you can spend an entire month talking about scaling your business, for example. That's April. That is the magic of monthly themes. Let me show you another example. The Quilty Nook, which is for quilters of all skill levels to come together and enhance their craft. Monthly themes are book cover inspiration, song inspiration, print publication inspiration. You're starting to get a sense of the themes here. How they are using their monthly themes is to offer inspiration for quilting from all of these different inputs. Pretty fantastic. Again, for a new member to come in and start contributing, but also something that probably after a month of the camera roll inspiration, your members are ready for something new, like how to get inspiration from a song. All right, here's another example. From Verbal to Visual, which is a community for sketch note takers. Their monthly themes, again, have a really nice balance between things that are universal, talking about new beginnings in January, to topics around nature and outdoors, urban life, music and art, gratitude and giving, reflections, and how to use each of these areas to practice the skills of sketch note-taking. Let's go to another example. Grown folks business. I love this. This is for chefs gearing up to launch their own cooking shows. In January, cooking atomic habits. Again, how do you set up for the year ahead? Using YouTube, business basics, marketing basics, air fryer recipes, better than Five Guys, better than Chick-fil-A, better than Chipotle, Instapot recipes, cooking in a mason jar, vegan Thanksgiving, and filming basics. So you see how you can spend an entire month as a member of this community just on filming basics alone. That is an example of monthly themes. The morning meetup, another great community for the most ambitious first-time business owners. What's a great transition? A human being who's starting a business for the first time. All right, monthly themes, vision planning, market research, brand development, financial planning, sales strategies, customer relationships, spending a month talking about legal and compliance, and using December for celebration. How do you celebrate? When do you celebrate? What are your best stories of celebration? When you start to create these kinds of conversations happening in your community, each and every one of your ideal members is going to be able to take an idea and bring it into their own life. What does that create? Value. It creates the reason why they're going to stay, they're going to contribute, they are going to then get phenomenal results in transformation, and they are going to go out and talk about it to people that aren't yet in your community. The Rock Retirement Club. For recent retirees navigating their retirement journey. This is a paid membership. In, for example, March, they're going to talk about navigating uncertainty. What is a major transition? Going from working to retirement. June, estate planning. July, business planning. October, retirement transition. November, early retirement. And December, ideal retirement. So you can see how, again, new members can come in and they're not going to be disoriented. They're going to be able to immediately start contributing. And so that's the power and magic of monthly themes. They bring novelty to your community. And what's beautiful is you can set them up in advance and sort of think through them. My recommendation is to use your monthly theme for the next month as a little bit of a spectacle ending the current month. So unveil it, make it fun, make it magical, because people want novelty. And that is what you're getting with monthly themes. So in the next module, I am going to show you how to create a daily habit with your community. I hope you'll join me. Thanks for tuning in to People Magic Profit, a 9-part series where I show you exactly how to build the most profitable digital community membership by creating people magic. And if you want more, I have got a podcast, also called People Magic, where we do a deep dive of all of the topics I've covered in this masterclass. Head on over to Mighty Networks, where we have got a free trial waiting for you. Until next time, I'm Gina Bianchini, and thanks for being a part of People Magic Profit.